Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a very easy and cute bow using only single crochet stitches. This is perfect for beginners, and you only need a small amount of yarn and a hook. Let's get started. First, make the foundation chain. Start with a slip knot. Now, chain 21 stitches. You should have a long foundation chain that will form the width of the bow. Skip the first chain from the hook. Make one single crochet into the second chain. Continue making one single crochet in each chain across the row. At the end, you should have 20 single crochets. Chain 1, turn your work. Make one single crochet in each stitch across. Again, 20 stitches. Repeat this step until you complete 16 rows in total. This creates a neat rectangular piece which will become our bow. After row 16 is complete, chain 1. Now work single crochets evenly around all 4 sides of the rectangle. Make one SC in each stitch along the top and bottom. Make one SC per row on the sides. Make 3 single crochets in each corner to keep it flat. Slip stitch to the first stitch to close. This gives the bow a nice clean edge. Now, make a small open work detail. Chain 1 and make a single crochet. Chain 3. Skip 1 stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch. Again, chain 3, skip 1 stitch, and single crochet into the next stitch. This creates a tiny open space that adds a cute decorative touch. Fold the piece gently in the center. Wrap a yarn strand around the middle several times to form the bow shape. Tie it securely at the back and cut off the extra yarn. Now we'll make a small wrap to hide the yarn in the center. Make a slip knot and chain 4. Skip the first chain and work one single crochet in each of the next 3 chains. Chain 1, turn, and repeat 3 single crochet for 12 rows. This creates a tiny rectangular strip. Wrap this strip around the middle of the bow and sew or knot the ends at the back. And that's it. Your cute crochet bow is ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials.